7 hours in now, and still the jury doesn't have a verdict for Chad Chritton. For nearly 3 weeks, they've heard testimony from nurses, neighbors, psychologists. They've testified that Chritton starved his daughter. She escaped from their East Side home last February at the age of 15. Now, Chritton's lawyer has said the girl is mentally unstable and her stories are inconsistent. The 19th, Jennifer Hoff, live with continuing coverage of a case that has captured a lot of people's attention. Jennifer.
Eric, it's one that's been full of details, medical terms, photos, graphs, charts. Ultimately, the jury is deciding on 6 charges against Chritton, who has been pacing the courthouse, just like a lot of people here, waiting for an answer.
Starvation ends in death. That's where it's heading.
For 13 days, the state stood by its argument. Dozens of witnesses backed it up and testified the victim had wasted away to 68 pounds at the hands of Chad Chritton.
The defendant endangered safety by engaging in criminally reckless conduct to deprive her of food.
Punishment, prosecutor Matthew Mosier said, for a threat Chritton's daughter made years ago.
How long does that discipline need to last? How long is it reasonable? And is the violence described to you reasonable?
In closing, Mosier recalled the victim's testimony about the mold-covered mattress she slept on, locked in a basement for years, and then the sexual abuse she accused her stepbrother of, but recanted.
You know, if you tell a story long enough, you might get a few believers, I suppose.
Defense attorney William Hayes focused instead not on her size, but the girl's mental state.
It's her mental illness, her mental problems, and that's why she's doing what she's doing.
A problem child, he said Chritton couldn't control after he moved her here away from a stepfather so bad the girl's mother gave up her parental rights to Chritton, who Hayes argued had tried to get her help.
As he sits here today, he's innocent. The law says he's innocent. Doesn't change until you folks say something else.
Hayes has been an attorney for 37 years. He said he's argued some 300 jury cases, but in a friendly wager tonight, he also thought the jury would have had a verdict by 6:30. Instead, the jury will decide how long they will continue to deliberate tonight. Eric?
All right. Jennifer Hoff, live at the courthouse. Thank you very much.